We missed the light.
18-karat gold. Now in time for Christmas, all jewelers have assembled an entire collection of richly more luxurious 18-karat gold jewelry.
Giant Christmas tree is even bigger than the one in Rockefeller Plaza in New York. Nearly an hour to set it up right. If you wish to see the OB tree lighting ceremony, it's going to be this Friday night at 8 o'clock at the end of Newport Avenue. Something to mark on your calendar.
Indeed. Hope we don't have the fog problems that we will have tonight. Clark and I...
Picking up hundreds of pounds of seaweed and debris that washed up during last week's storm. High tides pushed mounds of kelp onto the beach. It took workers several hours to haul away the seaweed. Still ahead on News Center, another California condor is in extinction. Didn't come easy, as Jody Hammond reports.
The tree, destined to grace the shores of Ocean Beach, is a 72-foot western white pine brought down from Palomar. It's the third year Ocean Beach residents have imported a Christmas tree to sandy soil, but getting it to stand upright was no easy task. First, a hole had to be dug. Telephone poles were used to help lay the foundation for the tree. A crowd gathered and offered assistance, at least with body language.
There's a Christmas spirit that portrays our feelings year-round, and this is a formal way of expressing us. Welcome to San Diego. Come down and spend the holidays with us and have a good time.
The Christmas tree will be decorated by school children and surrounded by a sand sculpture of Bethlehem. Ocean Beach residents have volunteered to guard the site round the clock through the holidays. The tree is a source of local pride and beats out the huge Christmas tree at New York's Rockefeller Center in the height category by 2 whole feet. The OB tree brings together the best of San Diego's natural attributes, the beaches and the mountains. And where else could a pine tree look perfectly natural right next to a palm? Only in Southern California. From Ocean Beach, Jody Hammond, News Center 39.
Old executive and the computer came up.